Installing a Magritech system on a customer's sprayer should be a simple and straightforward task. To ensure you have all the parts and tools you need, as well as the manifold mounting bracket, it's very important to complete the pre-installation section on the sprayer module before the install day. This will prevent any installation delays and deliver a great experience for the customer. Remember, you will need to enter the data in the sprayer module and upload photos and videos. If you are not able to fill in the module directly, please gather all relevant information and input the information into the sprayer module as soon as you have access to a computer. To begin the pre-installation, first enter the contact information and sprayer location. The next section, enter the make and model of the sprayer and add the serial number of the sprayer. For other types of sprayers, the serial number location information can be found in the portal and the sprayer identification guide. Many customers have multiple sprayers, and on install day, this is to verify the Magritech system is installed on the correct sprayer. The sprayer's serial number is usually located beside the right front wheel arch. Next, enter the make and model of the pump and check if there is a pressure relief valve installed. If there is, note the type and rating. The pump make, model, and pressure relief valve information is important so we know the maximum pump output pressure and to ensure that the pressure relief valve is installed to protect the manifolds from overpressure. Please note that the maximum pressure of the manifolds is 160 psi or 11 bar. Next, you'll need to measure and enter the boom width and nozzle spacing. The boom width is important at this stage to ensure that the right amount of rods are ordered. The next section is probably the most vital when it comes to ordering parts, and that's measuring the internal diameter of the spray line in millimeters. To get the most accurate results, we recommend using vernier calipers. It's critical to zero your calipers before you take any measurements. If you skip a step, your subsequent measurements may not be accurate. See the installation manual to help in measuring internal diameters. Use the two inside jaws to measure the internal dimensions of the spray line. Make sure that the line is perpendicular to the jaws. Before you take the measurement, you need to have clear access to the end of the spray line by removing all fittings. The Magritech rods come in two sizes that fit lines from 18 millimeter up to 26 millimeter and from 26 millimeter up to 32 millimeters. The 9.5 millimeter rods cover the 18 millimeter up to the 26 millimeter size lines, and the 15.9 millimeter rods cover sizes from 26 millimeters up to 32 millimeter size lines. So it's vital that the internal diameter of the spray line is recorded on the pre-installation section of the sprayer module. Moving behind the sprayer, look at the boom and count the maximum number of nozzles being fed by any one feed on the spray line. Sometimes, in rare occasions, extra feeds are required to achieve higher rates. Please provide a plumbing diagram of the spray system and provide any extra details. For more information on extra feeds, please review the extra feed tables in the installation manual on the dealer portal. Now, gather the details of any electronic control systems fitted to the sprayer. Please turn the displays and controllers on and take pictures. Make sure you note what types of systems are installed. Please take time to complete the spraying information section table on the sprayer module as accurately as possible to understand what the largest size nozzle being used by the customer. This information is vital for pressure testing and to determine if extra feeds are required. Finally, the last section of the pre-installation is to include pictures and videos. Please attach pictures of several areas. These include the front, back, and sides of the sprayer, each boom section, and video of the boom and pressure filter. If possible, please open the end of a boom where rods will be installed and take a photo. We'll also need photos of boom sections, plumbing diagram from the manual, and any extra information you can add. It's very important to complete the pre-installation section of the sprayer module before each installation of the Magritech system to ensure you have the right amount of parts, required tools, hoses, that you have discussed the fabrication of the manifold mounting bracket, and anything else necessary for a seamless installation. Also, please don't forget to review the installation manual on the dealer portal, as it will assist with information required to fill out the pre-installation section on the sprayer module.